Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Christiane, otherwise known here as IHeartAirbrush, and today we're going to be doing a full face airbrush look based on the look that I did in my review and tutorial using the Dose of Colors Minnie Mouse collection. So if you are interested in knowing how I recreated the look that I created in that video in all airbrush form, then please keep on watching. Alright, so yes, it has happened. I've done a review of traditional makeup here on my airbrush channel and I'm super happy about it, and I don't regret it for a second because I have been picking up a lot of traditional makeup items lately because I've just been inspired by what's been being released lately, and it's really inspired me to go ahead and play and dip into my airbrush makeup again, shades that I haven't touched in a long time. So that being said, I did do my first review on the Dose of Colors Minnie Mouse collection, just the pieces that I got, and I did create a full face look with it. So that being said, as soon as I saw the shades in the palette, of course I thought of my airbrush makeup, and I had already planned to do a video like this where I did take a look that I created with that palette and recreate that look using all airbrush shades. So I'm happy to say that I did go ahead and recreate that look successfully. Now I will say though, the shades are not exact matches because I did not do mixology for this. Sorry, that's my son, he's still awake. Anyways, I did not do mixology for this video. What I did was just pull shades that kind of mirrored or matched or were similar to the shades in the palette or in the collection, and then I used that on my face in the same way. So everything's the same, transition for transition, lid for lid, cheek for cheek. So I used it the same way as I used the Minnie Mouse collections. So I'm really happy that this look came out so good. So I'm so glad to go ahead and show you the process of recreating that look in airbrush makeup because I am an airbrush makeup junkie. Airbrush makeup is always at the forefront of my mind, even when I'm playing with traditional makeup. I'm ready to dip into my airbrush makeup very shortly after to go ahead and recreate, redo, or get more creative with airbrush makeup. So super excited to go ahead and share this with you guys. Hopefully you enjoy this kind of video. Hopefully you enjoy this tutorial. I get asked all the time if I can go ahead and find shades in traditional makeup that match my airbrush shades. So I figure tit for tat, this is a good way to go ahead and show you. That being said, hopefully you enjoy this tutorial, and hopefully it inspires you. All right, loves, let's go ahead and dive right into it. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and lay down Mauve. If you have Cinnabar, that would be also a very good substitution for the shade Dots Are Hot. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that from the inner corner of the lid, blending it to the outer corner of the lid. And you just want to go ahead and build the shade up. Here I'm using the shadow shield just so that I can increase the intensity and opacity at the lash line. Next, I'm going to go in with the substitution for the shade Glam Girl, which I found to be Harvest Pumpkin. I'm just going to apply that on the mid lid and blend it into the mauve. Then I'm going to go in and deepen the outer corner of the natural fold of my lid with the shade Espresso, and that is the substitution for the shade Style Flash. Next, I'm going to go in the transition and I'm applying Saharan Sunset, which is the substitution for Forever Friends. And then I'm also going to apply that to the lower lash line as well. Okay, next I'm going to go in and deepen the outer corner of the lower lash line, applying Espresso there. And of course my eyes still water, but Espresso is again the substitution for the shade Style Flash. Okay, then I'm just going to apply a little bit in the outer fold of the lid just because it got diffused down when I applied Saharan Sunset. Okay, then I'm going to go in and highlight. So for that, I'm going to take the shade Shine On You, which is a substitute for Shimmer On, highlight the tear duct and the brow bone. Then I'm going to go in with my liner, and here is just Jet Black, and I'm using my Cat Eye and stencil, and I'm just lining my eyes in a very natural liner. We just want to define that lash line. And I did forget to mention that Jet Black is the substitution for Forever in Style. Okay, and then I'm going to apply some to the outer corner of the lower lash line as well for cohesion. And then I'm going to pop on my favorite Mary Kay Lash Love mascara and then go in with glitter liner. There is no way to substitute glitter liner, okay? I mean, there is, but it just won't be as poppin', okay? So here I'm just taking the same glitter liner that I used, which is in the shade Darling. And this is also from the collection, as you can see, so cute. And I'm just going to go ahead and line the top of where I applied my liner and just kind of wing it out just a bit. So here I just went back and kind of increased the opacity and the intensity of the wing liner, just filling in any sparse areas. All right, and this is the finished look as you saw from before. Let's go ahead and just give it a little quick close-up shot real quick. But yeah, this is a finished look. It came out really close and really similar to the original look I did with the Minnie Mouse collection. But yeah, so super excited on how it came out, and I'm excited to go ahead and share that I am working on another video like this with traditional makeup transferred into airbrush makeup, so definitely stay tuned for that. Like I said in previous videos, I have so many projects that I'm working on and so much content that I'm ready to put out for you guys, and I'm super excited, and I hope you guys are excited too. So that being said, that about wraps it out for this video. If you found this video inspiring or entertaining, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out a ton. Sharing this video actually helps me out even more than thumbsing it up. And also make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And if you are subscribed, or if you choose to subscribe today, don't forget to hit that little bell icon right next to the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. That way you get the quickest updates anytime I upload a video. Alright loves, thank you so much again for watching, and I can't wait to see you all in my next one. Bye!